And today we are discuss about the iron. So it's a micronutrient, is trace elements of iron, heme, iron. So hemoglobin is contents of heme and iron. So heme plus iron, that is heme means nothing but iron. Heme is a non-protein part. Globin is a protein part, and also myoglobin. There are the two types of iron: heme iron, non-heme iron. So heme iron and heme iron. So this myoglobin catalyze peroxidase cytochromes and C involved in the electron transport. Cytochrome P450 involved in the drug metabolism. Non-heme iron, ferritin, hemosiderin, hemofusin, transferrin, and ferroflaviprotein and aromatic amino acid hydroxylases. So food iron is also classified as a heme and non-heme. So food iron, heme iron, the meats, and poultry and fish. So non-heme iron vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, breads, and cereals. These are the heme is 20 to 30% of heme iron is absorbed, and non-heme is only less than 3 non-heme iron is absorbed. So iron absorption occurs in upper part of the small intestine. About 10% of the food iron is absorbed. Requires gastric HCl releases ion iron. So also requires copper, and ferrous is better absorbed than the ferric form. So ferric forms chelates with the ascorbic acid, certain sugars, and amino acids. Iron distribution and storage carried in the bloodstream via the transferrin A, B globulin, almond globulin. So stored in two forms: ferritin and hemosiderin. Ferritin is a water soluble complex consisting of a core ferritic hydroxide and a protein shell apoferritin. Hemosiderin, a particulate substance consisting of aggregates of ferric core crystals. So stored in the liver, spleen, bone marrow, intestinal mucosa, and plasma. So food iron, so how the ferric state to ferrous state to ferric state, and ferritin is conversions of ferrin and transferrin to hemosiderin. Here is hemoproteins, so like hemoglobin and non-myoglobin, and ferritin is hemosiderin in the liver format. Here it is bone marrow and muscle house to stored and all these things. So iron eliminations, there is no mechanism of excretions of iron. So iron is normally lost by the effoliations and intestinal mucosal cells into the stools. Trace amount are lost in bile, urine, and sweat, no more than 1 milligrams per day. So bleeding, vaginal and intestinal is a more serious mechanism of eliminations. Iron deficiency intestinal symptoms vague and will define easy, fatigable, lack of appetite, and headache, and dizziness, and palpitation. Then hypochromic microcytic anemia, small RBCs, hyperchromia, poor fill of hemoglobin, and polykystosis, and Beger strips, and ansiocytosis, and variable sizes. Causes, what are the deficiency causes? Excessive blood loss, and parasitic and accidental menstrual, and most common use rapid growth in children with limited intake of iron, malabsorption, gastric sections, prove increased metabolic requirements, pregnancy, lactations, or neoplasia. Diagnosis of iron deficiency: hematology, microcytic hypochromic anemia, lower serum iron, and low serum ferritin indicates the low body stores, and in some conditions, inflammations, hepatitis, ferritin may be high. So low hemosiderin, high total iron binding capacity. Iron absorption, average diet contains of 10 to 15 milligrams per iron per day. So a normal person absorbs 5 to 10% of the iron. So 0.5 to iron absorption increases in the responses to low iron stores, and menstruating the woman on 1 to 2 milligrams per day, pregnant woman 3 to 4 milligrams per day. Absorption is via the active process. So defective types of iron: ferrous sulfate, and exudated ferrous sulfate, and ferrous gluconate, and ferrous fumarate, and ferrochlorate, and polysaccharides in iron complex, and iron dextrans. So treatments of iron deficiency: give the 200 to 200 to 400 nano milligrams per iron per day. Up to 25% of iron preparation may be absorbed, and 50 to 100 milligrams per iron of iron may be utilized in the case. Parenteral iron is used patients who have had bowel resections or in case of inflammatory bowels, and normal given intramuscular, and G-tract minimizes total, and oral iron causes blocks, stools, and constipation and cramping. Do not administer with the antacids or metal tetracycline. So acute iron toxicity common in small children, and injections of a large doses of soluble iron compounds, and toxicity usually divided into four phases. One to 60 to 30 minutes following injections of abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, and signs of acidosis and cardiovascular collapse may be seen. Predominant improvement lasts about 8 to 16 hours, and period of progressive cardiovascular collapse and about the 24 hours after injections. Convulsions, coma, and high mortality, gastrointestinal obstructions from the scarring of stomach and intestine, small intestine, and deferoxin and mesoxin. Chronic iron toxicity, causes of hereditary hyperchromatosis and hemosiderosis, and symptoms like cirrhosis and skin pigmentation, cardiac failure, and treatment is phlebotomy. 1 unit of blood removes about 250 milligrams per day of milligrams of iron. Thank you very much. Today we are discussing the iron. It is a micronutrients. So how is the things about how healthy, what are the diseases, what are the treatment, how it will be maintained in our body, the regulations of these things. Thank you very much.